In this video, we will show you how to fix bent succulents. And we will also discuss why they bend, what's the reason behind. We will use this bent bunny ears cactus as an example. Use sticks to straighten the plant. Careful on sticking the sticks to the pot. Not so near the base to avoid damaging the roots. Secure each stick firmly to hold the position for a few days. Expose it to direct sun. You may have to acclimate it first, especially on succulents, to avoid sunburn. Yes, succulents get sunburn when exposed to direct sun abruptly. To know more about acclimation, please click the thumbnail at the end of this video. After a few days, you'll notice that your plant can stand straight up even without the sticks. Is it because of the stick it's straightened? Partly yes, but we give the sun more credit on this. Let me explain a little bit more. Bending is the first sign that your succulent needs more sun exposure. It bends towards the direction of the sun because it lacks sun. If you just leave them like that, without giving them more sun, then the next sign will be etiolation. Instead of growing pads, it grows thin, stretched, and sometimes needle-like shoots. Because it's doing its best to stretch itself towards the sun, like this one. See the comparison. Here's an example of an etiolated succulent. See the comparison. The leaves interval are noticeably far apart from each other. So before your succulents grow thin shoots or develop far apart leaves interval, give your plant more sun exposure. Why the succulents bent in the first place? Please leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!